How to fix Apex Legends crashing on startup? First step, close Apex Legends and Steam completely. Restart the device. Once restore complete after, check for update. If there is any recent received update means download the latest update, then move on with next step. Open Steam, click library, click the game, right click properties, click install file and click verify integrity of the game file. Click it and wait for some time. It's actually verifying the game files. If there is any corrupted file having means it will rectify it. So be patient. Successfully validated. Then move on with next step. Click browse option. Click it. Click easy anti-cheat setup. Right click. Click run as administrator. Close it. Then move on with next step. Search for Windows Defender Firewall. Click it. Click allow an app or features through Windows Defender Firewall. Click change settings. Scroll down. Search for Apex Legends. It should be enabled in both private and public. Scroll down. Search for Steam. It should be enabled in both private and public. If it's not having means you can add the application. Click allow another app. Click browse. Go to C drive. Program files. Steam folder. Click it. Go to Steam apps. You get the Apex Legends. Come back. Scroll down. You get the Steam. Once getting after, you need to click add in the bottom side and click both private and public. Click OK in the bottom side, then move on with next step. Open this PC, make sure you have enough memory space. Right click it, click properties, click tools, click check and scan the drive. Successfully scanned, no error were found. Close it. Then move on with next step. Click settings. Click system settings. Click display settings. Click graphic settings. Scroll down and search for Apex Legends and Steam. The GPU preference, it depends on you. You can set depends on your device, but the optimization of the window game should be in turn on mode. Make sure it. Check for both Apex Legends and Steam. If the application is not having means you need to add the application by click add desktop app. Go to this PC and add it. After completing, restart the device. Thank you.